You have been waiting, and I am finally going to make these today. We are making glow-in-the-dark wax melts. I'm making 10 of them. I'm measuring out my fragrance oil by gram. We are using a sweet orange and chili. We haven't named it yet, so just look for glow-in-the-dark wax melts. My friend said it smells like Starburst. This mica powder is a lot more gritty than I'm used to with the other mica powders, and I'm not terribly thrilled with it, so I might be finding another brand after this. I'll still stir these for 2.5 minutes, just like I do with the candles. And if the audio was on, you could hear me scraping the spoon at the bottom. It wasn't great. This batter funnel you can find on Amazon is a game changer for pouring your wax melts. It makes it so much easier and more convenient to get them into those clamshells. If you plan on making wax melts, get one of these batter funnels for yourself on Amazon. They're amazing. But isn't this color so pretty? I think it turned out really great. Here's the final result. The mica powder all sunk to the bottom, but I'm sure it'll look cool when it is melted.